Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Sawitri Nurhayati. You can call me Sawitri. I am a student of STI Bandung with management study program. My NCM is 10120021. Hello everyone, my name is Sawitri Nurhayati. You can call me Sawitri. I was born in Bandung on December 29, 2001. My address in Bandung, Widai, Umudan. I am the third child of 3 children. I live alone because my parents have died and my brother is married and manajemen. Today I wake up at 5 after. Waking, I take a shower and try to do the morning fire. After the morning fire, I make my bed and clean all the parts of my house. When cook rice for breakfast, after everything is done, I do the activity 7. Yes, it's an online course for 2 courses. After finishing 2 courses in racing well, carrying of my obligation, namely the midday fire. After finishing my fire, I commuted back with online classes until I finishing that I shower again and did the fire. And at night I decide to do my homework with no class. Hi friends, introduce my name Sawitri Nurhayati from class 3 manajemen with NPM 10120021. Will tell you a little about the activities that I do in my spare time. In my spare time, I like to hold reunions on Gather. After gathering everyone, I like to go out to share or tell about other head to till I often go to church places at our culinary and hang out at cafe. Besides that, I like or I prefer activities on social media such as WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, and other social media, because social media is not always about bad and many other benefits. I often also take advantage of that free time by studying or reading, and I don't like to spend my free time wandering around interneting because I think it's a waste of time. Hi, my name is Sawitri Nurhayati. I will tell you about my hometown. My villa is in Widai, Bandung. The city is not too big, but many are unique and interesting. Short such as the White Crater, Manganis Crater, Ciwalini, Ranca Upas, the Lake Cimanggu, swimming pool, waterfall, and many others. There are many culinary places and a very interesting cafe and view, namely at Cabbage Villa, a mountain coffee shop. sign lamping, and other. Chivide has a very beautiful and interesting garden, namely Toko Chivide City Park, and Danalaga where people do sports like basketball and other. In the city of Chivide, chair and steel, many people who really like the traditional dance art of Jaipong. I think my hometown is still beautiful and respect and has very adequate and completing diversity. I will tell you about my favorite place in Bandung, Ciwidey. Ciwidey has a lot of churches, attractions, and that I often visit in the white writers or the way to enjoy the beauty of greenery along same way with very cool weather.